Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Oy, ala! Oy, ala! Mahal pa rin yung book mo! Yan pala, oh, bang! Waksakan na yung bill si Kuya. Help! Help! Wow, wow, wow! Help! Wow, wow, wow! Wow, wow, help! Oy! Dahil doon sa black?
Aliyah! Hold the span.
Halo black! Halo black! Halo black! Halo black! Pangit yan! Gusto namin malupit! Ang mali! Ayoko niyan niya eh! Ay! Mahal! O yan, hindi, hindi. Hindi ka. Oy! Tralalero! Tralalero! Ay! Tralalero! Punta kayo dito! May tralalero! Oy, pumupunta ka dyan sa fireworks. Bakit? Oh, yan. Happy New Year! Ay, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Uy, ala! Uy, uy, lol! Uy, yung barko ko mas mabangit, yung iba mas maganda! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Ala! Yung boat niya nawala! Saan pumunta? Moon! Road trip! Moon! Aray! Oy! Happy fireworks! Fireworks! Hintayin niyo ako! Hintayin niyo ako! Happy New Year! May fireworks siya! Happy New Year!
Nawinan ako! Nawinan ako! Oh my God!
Tira mo, yung ano namin, barko namin, fireworks. Tira mo, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Hala, Tia, help me! Ya, saan ba yung barko nyo? Ah, maiiyak na ako, aray ko.
Yan ganito. I make potato.
Tia.
Lumipad kami, oh!
Saan papunta?
Papunta na kami sa Launi. Bye-bye. This look is perfect!
Ya, Paldo. Ay, sabay rin siya. Ay, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year!
May po sa kanila.
Ha?
Ano yan?
Yolin.
Yung kumot.
Sige.
Lagay mo doon.
Saan?
Blue potion!
Happy New Year!
Magic potion!
Happy New Year! Congratulations! Congratulations, body, bata. Mama mo ay rich. Mama mo muna ni. Wait lang. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Saan pupunta? Saan pupunta? Ay! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Pumunta kami dun. Saan kami pupunta? Lumipad ako sa langit. Mama mo ay...
Hey, Commanders. Have you been waiting for a balance update? We got one for you. Let's break it down. The first large container will now appear later. They used to drop at the 2-minute mark.
Yeah,
Now it
yeah.
will appear at 3 minutes and
Sabi
30
ako ya,
seconds.
pati sa grab mo.
Change?
Krick,
A lot
krok,
of players
krabo.
didn't have enough time to collect small containers and build up their base before they had to fight for the big one. This tweak gives newcomers and
Yan
players more
pinapalaruan ni Dad.
Now there's no need to rush, and you'll have more time to plan your strategy when it's time to grab the container. To access level 1 and level 2 heroes, you need to upgrade the Assault Vehicle
Yeah.
Factory. The heroes Cerberus, Beholder, Wasp, and Wolverine now require a level 2 Assault Vehicle Factory. Reminder, previously, only a level 1 factory was needed. As for the heroes
Ako
Mode,
rin.
Seraphim, and Scion, you'll need to upgrade the Assault Vehicle Factory to level 3 instead of just level 2. Deploying heroes early in the game is currently one of the most tactics.
Happy New Year!
Players won't get heroes too quickly, and there will be additional time to
Wala na!
Ako rin! Aray ko! Sila yung ano ko aray ko!
Play na tayo!
more.
Ala
The
ka!
base value of the attack
Play na!
range of torpedo launchers has been reduced by 1 cell. On certain maps, torpedo launchers are often used to attack bases and dominate container spawn points. The combination of high efficiency and low cost makes them tough to counter. The only
Pasahiro ya,
is
pasahiro.
deploying a level 3 fleet. But let's be honest. if
Ay!
you
Orkalidon! Orkalidon! Tralalidon! Uy!
end up in the
Uy!
direct line
Uy!
of fire. This
Tralalero! Tralala!
mistakes.
Ey! Por pudil! Tara guys! Sakay na tayo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year everyone! Happy New Year! Tayan yung boat natin! Hoy! Si kamatayan! Namatay! Si kamatayan! Nahulog! Hoy!
Bomber's fuel consumption has been reduced by 25%.
Happy New Year! Di ba yung shirt namin? Oh, ey! Panis bang!
They're time-consuming and expensive to
Guys!
produce.
Tara na! Uwi na tayo! Aray ko! Aray ko! Yung ulo ko! Mababali na yung ulo natin guys! Elme! Di kamatayan! Elme! Tulong! Kamatayan!
Accurately targeting combinations of Jaguars, Guardians, or Zeus's and energy shields is quite
Nag-crash pa nga!
challenging, making
Nag-crash pa
this
nga!
shot incredibly costly.
Wow!
Fuel
Uy!
is another critical issue. On larger maps, bombers often didn't have enough fuel to return to
Ang
base.
galing ah!
The result?
Nia!
A significant reduction in
Punta ka
flight
dito
speed.
sa barko
And
ko!
low speed makes them
Tara
vulnerable
na!
to enemy
Oy!
fighters.
Tralalidon!
Changes
Uy, tara na, tara na
Oy!
dito!
Oy! Oy!
Tralalidon! Tralalidon!
commanders.
Oy ka! Oy! Happy New Year! Ay kami glass be?
You were already
Patingnan yun! May glass! May glass pa nga!
Right, let's jump back in. The durability of the Porcupine, Typhoon,
Kunyari.
stationary,
Oy!
anti-defense
Ako di natatamaan! Oh, ey! Kasama ko!
structures are always strong against enemy.
Di na ba? Di di! Ba't ganito? May tural! Ay, kalder! Tural mo yan! Di naman!
While the anti-air defense is
Di
still
ba?
too
Di
effective
di ba?
to shut them
Ganito!
down in one play.
Mama mo ay tural!
This update will
Mama mo
enhance the
ay
base
tural!
value of the
Mama mo
anti-air
ay
system.
tural!
As you upgrade it, the system will become with this
Yeah,
improvement,
help me!
the skies above your
Tulong!
heads will be
Si
more
kamatayan nandiyan dyan! Si kamatayan!
Range gets
Oy!
buff at
Oy!
higher
Oy!
levels.
Oy! 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 Auna! Auna!
Just are upgraded. What infantry's left behind? Maxio just plus 1.5 cells. This puts Grenadier and heavy assault units at a disadvantage in high-rank battles, forcing them to move closer to
Yan!
enemies
Oy!
and take
Tuga ka to!
unnecessary damage.
Tuga to!
To fix this, level
May
2
pirato
infantry
nga.
will now
Ayun,
gain
oh.
an additional plus 0.5 cell attack range upon upgrading.
Tugato! Pirato! Tugatong! Piratong! Tugatong! Piratong!
Ready to see Grenadier swarms dominate the sky? Share your thoughts. That's it for now, commanders. Good luck out there on the battlefield.
Natin na sabihin! Nandito na ako! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Guys! Tulong! Nasa Tugato! Pirato nga kami! Aray ko yung ulo ko!
Pilato!
Let's go time Tugato! Pirato! Saan ba tayo mamo?
Tara guys, at kita yung bundok.
Guys, saan tayo pupunta yun? Tayo na una. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Wow, ganda. Wow, ganda. Ito taas ng puno. Ito. Uy. Naiwan ako. Naiwan na pala.
Haplos ng Vicks, all night ginhawa.
Bangko, please. Hello, Prince William Cabra Cadabra. Sumupo ka, shit, abracadabra. Ayan. Babay, shit, abracadabra.
Pumatay ka, mamatay ka.
Ba't di kaya kita patay? Iyayo. 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 Wala na.
Ayun o. Yan si kamatayang mayaman. Ang kailangan mo. Ay! Oy! Oy! Yung panga! Yung panga! Oy! Nakikita yung view! Nakikita yung view! Nakikita yung view! Ang galing mo talaga, tol! Nakikita ang view! Sana all talaga! Oy!